Claude sends me summary of 20 marketing blogs directly to my WhatsApp every day at 12 p.m. No browsing, no opening 20 different websites, no wasting of time. Here is exactly how I built it. I like staying updated with marketing, but every day I had to visit websites like HubSpot, Semrush, OpenAI, Search Engine Land, and many more, and check if they published anything new, and repeat that process for every website. It was taking too much of time, so I decided to automate using Claude. Here's what I did. First, I collected all the blog URLs I wanted Claude to monitor. Then I created a prompt asking Claude to check each website for new blog posts, write a 50-word summary for every new article, and send everything directly to my WhatsApp every day at 12 p.m. Now, instead of opening 20 different websites, I just open WhatsApp and get everything in one place. During the setup, Claude will ask a few permissions. It may ask for access to your Chrome browser. It will also ask you to sign up to your WhatsApp web, and I recommend installing the Chrome extension of Claude as it avoids interruptions during the automation. The initial setup takes around 15 to 30 minutes, but after that, it will run automatically. A few important things to remember. You will need a Claude Pro subscription. Keep your computer awake when the automation is scheduled to run. Once everything is configured, you will receive your daily summaries without manually checking every website. It is one of the simplest AI automations I have built, and it saves me a lot of time every single day. The prompt is in the description. Check it out. Subscribe to my channel for more practical AI workflows for marketing, business, and daily productivity.